This is BMW 1 Series, winter period. Just change your wiper blades. No need to change your glass. Have a look what happened here. Customer going to change and damage the glass. Because of that, I'll show you how to change your wiper blades correct way. Then after that, you don't want to change your windscreen. If you're going to change your wiper arms, you need a rubber mat or something like that when you chuck it out, or sometimes piece of cloth. I'm going to use this one. Leave underneath like that because this wiper arm spring loaded. If it's something come back like this, it's going to stop with the rubber mount. Then I'm going to change the wipers. Lift up the wiper arm, and there is a two tabs need to squeeze together and remove it. Compare new one and old one and install new one. Make sure it's clipped in properly, otherwise when you operate the wiper arms it's going to flew. Same thing we need to do to the other side. Now you know how to change your wiper blades.